Alright, this one show with the sandwich maker. That's gonna be my lunch for in the morning. Test this cooker out well. Corn on the cob, potatoes, barbecue chicken. Well, she's supposed to put barbecue sauce on it. What's going on, everybody? Alright, ordered something from Amazon. This is not a product review, but it is for, I guess, anybody out there interested in one. Everybody knows when I was doing RV transport and stuff like that, I had the lunchbox cooker. That actually heats up to 300 degrees, and I cooked a lot of stuff in there. Wore mine out, bought another one, and it kept shooting fuses. So I went online because I'm not in it, but I'm still doing, you know, dump trucks, and I'm getting tired of taking sandwiches. So this right here is a foldable cooker. Now this one I think heats up to 285 degrees, and it says right here on the side, and it's also 90 watts, and it says to 40 to 60 minutes on your leftovers. But if you want to cook raw food in it, it's 3 hours. My thing is this. I was figuring on something like that because I can take leftover spaghetti, hamburgers, or whatever, put it in there, plug it up an hour before my lunch, and then I'm gonna have a hot lunch. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how I'm gonna like it. And it comes just like this. Strap. Hints on cooking, maybe a little warranties and stuff like that. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Here's your cigarette lighter plug. We're going to undo it. And inside of this, it's got this. That's what heats the food up. So that goes down in there. And I am guessing the cigarette lighter plug is going to come out the side through here. And you pull it out. So it's not going to take up a lot of room. Just fold it down, boom, put it in whatever. And then whenever you put your food in it, you zip it up and plug it up. Now, so this right here will be hot. Like I said, I've never used one of these before, so I'm gonna test it out today. I ordered a kit. Ordered this because it's not gonna get in the way of the dump truck, and I wanna try it out. Especially like I have just now took out of the freezer some chicken biscuits. Good for breakfast. But I ordered a kit and it come with this. I've already opened the kit because I've already got my lunch made for tomorrow that I'm gonna try in it, which is, what do we got, sandwich maker?
Chicken.
Oh yeah, we got grilled chicken and corn on the cob and little potatoes. So, and these are here are reusable. They come in a 10 pack, so I got these with it. And I'm not going to put the lid on. I'm going to take one of these containers. I'm going to put it in here. Open these chicken biscuits up. Just like so. And I'm just going to put them in here. Show you what it looks like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zip it up. Now, to be able to heat these up, it said 40 to 60 minutes. And I also ordered a metal pan, a glass pan to go with this, which is being delivered right now. So let me plug this up, get my pan, and we'll be back in about 30 minutes. All right, just got the mail, and I said I'd be back in 30 minutes, but we're gonna plug this up and I'm gonna set a 40-minute timer and then come back. But first, I want to show y'all, this is the other part of the kit that I ordered. I figured it'd be good for different stuff. So this right here is glass. I wanted to try one out just in case I want to get more with the lid. And it will fit right down in there. You can put anything you want in there and be able to heat this up. Spaghetti, a casserole, anything. So, let me plug this up and set a timer, and then we'll be back. All right, so I got it sitting right here, and this right here is just for the test. I bought this for a dump truck. So I have my truck off, so I'm gonna plug it up. And I ain't gonna see, there ain't no light. I have my truck off. So there is no light. There is the way to hold the bag, or you got the other straps that hook right here to the side. So now that's the only thing I don't really like. I see that now, is I was hoping to have a light to let me know that it was on. At least they should put a light at the plug. But this thing right here is pretty cheap, so that's another reason why I bought it, and to save some money out there for lunch. And I ain't gotta eat cold sandwiches all the time. I'm just gonna test this out for y'all. I'm hoping it works good because I really miss cooking out of my truck. So I am gonna set a 40-minute timer, and then we'll be back. Yeah, we're back. My alarm clock went off on my phone. It's been 40 minutes. So, I can feel it getting warm, but not warm enough. So, yeah, these were frozen. I can still pick them up. I'm gonna say that they're gonna need just a few more minutes. Now, also another thing, it may have been my fault, is I'm probably gonna set another 10-minute timer on this because I had my key off. And I don't know if that cigarette lighter works with a key or not. And I was doing a couple different videos. This is the third video I'm actually working on today for y'all. So that might have been my fault. So I'm gonna leave my ignition on, and then I'm gonna come back and check it in 10 minutes. All right, now I set a 15-minute timer because remember in the instructions it said 40 to 60 minutes. So they've been cooking for 55. So let's unzip it. Yes, there you go. They are done, and it is hot. It is burning my finger right now. So that's great. So something else, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. Cigarette lighter's not hot. So that's the only trouble of the other ones that on the lunch box. Now, if you want the lunch box, I'll leave a link down in the description for it too, the one I usually get. And this right here is just a warmer. You said it said in the directions you can put raw food in it, cook it up, takes 3 hours. I'm not gonna try that. I just want something that I know. I usually eat lunch like 11:30, 12 o'clock. I know about, 10:30, I can just take my lunch out of my refrigerator, put it in here, plug it up, and I'm good to go at lunchtime. Got something hot. So it's gonna help save money. I don't have to eat sandwiches all the time. So I'm very happy with it. And this right here is the first test out, and I will let y'all know more in the videos that I leave in the dump truck videos, because I will show it in here and show what I'm cooking and give y'all approximate time of how long it takes. So I hope to help y'all out. Y'all be careful, y'all be safe. See you on the next one.